welcome to Red9SysTech. Myself, Karthik Ponnusamy. Today, we are going to see one of the coding challenge in Java, in which we try to understand how to use string class in Java. What are the different ways that we can challenge the string class in Java? As we know, string is not a data type in Java. It is a class in Java, which means string has its own methods, right? Let's see what is the challenge, the problem statement here. So the problem statement here is we have two string, one is a and b. So we need to find the length of a and b and we need to sum of it. Okay, first we need to get the length of a and b and then we have to sum it. Second thing, we need to determine if a is lexicographically larger than b or not, which means does b come after a or not. Okay, also third thing, we have to capitalize the first letter of in a and then b and then print them in single line. So let's get see action. Since we need to get the input from the user, so we are using scanner class wherein system.in. So basically, two inputs we're getting it. First string as a, second string as b. So now we have a and b on hand. Now we need to find a way to find the length of a and b. How to find the length of a and b? We have a method called length of, right? And we need to print that. So which means I simply say system out.println, in which I have to say the output should be, there are three lines of output. For the first line, sum the length of a and b, right? Means we need to simply write our program to just say that we have to print the length of a and b, which is nothing but a dot length of, then plus b dot length of, which means it is going to print summation of a length and b length. Okay. Now the expectation of the second line should be write yes if a is greater than b or not. So we need to find a way that how to find whether a is greater than b or not. So guys, in Java we know in string we have compare to method, right? So we have to compare b and a and then we have to make a decision whether it is bigger before or after. So what I can do here, I can simply say if b dot compare to is a, when I try to compare b with a and if that result is less than 0, which is negative, right, which means I want to say it is yes. Okay, so here I need to say out.println, I have to simply say, if you guys see here, I have to say yes. Otherwise, even if b compared to a is equal to 0, which means b and a are same, right? There also, if b and a is greater than 0, sorry, if it is greater than 0, then I need to say it is no, right? It is no. The third condition we need to check here is else if b compared to a is equal to 0, here I am to say else if, right? If it is not going to this logic, then it will go to this logic, right? So one more else if b dot compare to of a equal to 0, there also I need to say no, which means I'm going to say whether a is does a comes before a, b comes before a or not. Okay, now this is clear. Now what is the third one? So they're looking for capitalize the first letter in both a and b and then print them in a single line. Okay, now we know that we can able to capitalize the first letter of a. How to get the first letter of a? We can say a dot the caret of, there is a caret of index, first letter is nothing but index of 0. So this one I can get a first character and then I can store that first character into a string, let's say a, which is equal to just like this, right? And similarly, I want to get the first letter of b is nothing but b dot caret of 0, and then I can store that into a string called b. Okay, now I have first character here. Now what I need to print here is system.out.println of, now What is my requirement? The third line should capitalize the first letter in both A and B and then print them on the single line, which means I need to print something like A dot. Yes, I'm getting the first character, right? So A dot, how to make it capitalize the first letter? There is a method called uppercase. Okay. So in order to make a letter to uppercase, I can call to uppercase of. Then the remaining letters should continue as it is, which is nothing but A dot from where? From second character, which is nothing but I can do substring method where I have to give begin index as 1. So from 1 it will continue as it is. Before that it will get capitalized. Then I can do a space, nothing but just a space, and then I can do the same thing for B, right? So which means like I need to capitalize the B and then I need to print it. Let me do this here. So here I need to substring of 1, then plus, then there is a space I want to give, then I want to print it for B as well, same thing. Let me copy this and then paste it. This is for B and here also for B. All good. Now I need to close this. Okay, now let me go and run this program. It is going to execute all the test case. Yes, all the test cases are passed. You can see here the value which you are passing it, hello Java, right? The output is like 9 no hello Java. Our expect output also 9 no hello Java. So basically this is the way how you have to write your logic. So whenever someone says some coding challenge in Java, and if it is something related to string class, you guys have to always think about what are the methods which are available in string class and try to optimize that logic, those methods into your logic, and then make it happen. I hope you guys like this content. If you guys like it, please hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. And I will see you in the next challenge, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.